fi 'di ffeindio mwy o celebs, Penny ac Ian. Hi there.
Shemai.
Yes! Gethin's been teaching a bit of Welsh, I
The
see.
dad, yes.
I feel really short next to
Most
you
people
two.
have that problem with us, yes. we have that effect.
Now, you had a great night Saturday night.
Yes,
After a bit of a
thankfully.
rocky couple of weeks for you, wasn't it?
It was a bit rocky, yes. With the drive and then being in the bottom two. But we came back with some good points, so we were relieved, totally relieved.
And are you looking forward to this week now?
Oh, it's going to be great. We've got salsa, and it's going to be a hot salsa, hopefully. No, it's a great fun dance, and we're just having so much fun in rehearsals. So I'm hoping we can portray that on the floor.
Oh, I'm looking forward to seeing it. Now, I just want to ask you about Gethin. How is he really? Is he a bit of a diva, you know?
He's a charmer.
Yeah, he's a bit of a
Absolute charmer.
creep, really. No, I'm joking. He's the loveliest guy, and he's always in the centre of all the whatever's going on. He wants to be in the middle of it all, doesn't he?
Yeah, he's so much warmth come from him, and he's very genuine with whatever he does. He's wonderful.
Oh, well, it's lovely to meet you. Best of luck for Saturday and for the rest of the competition.
Thank you very much.
His mother will hate me now. I didn't mean it, because she's voting for me.
Yeah, I know. Gethin's mum is voting for you. Can you believe it?
That's
Shock
a good
horror.
Yeah, it's nice.
Thank you.
Well done. Thank you so much.
Thank you.